Las llaves aquí. Planta 5, sí, para hacer. Ahí tenemos. Tenemos zumos, cosas de estas, croissants, café, huevos, cereales, jamón y queso.
Full benzene.
Full, yes.
Normal benzene.
Yes, normal.
Alejandro Magno.
Okay. Okay, okay. Perfect. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, sorry. The entry to the...
Left and straight ahead.
Just your left and straight ahead, okay? Thank you. Mira, ogni po' qua fuori da che fare bene. Hello.
Hello.
Two, please.
Yes, sir.
Is there somewhere that we can leave these things?
Yes, you can leave it here.
Okay. I have seen no drones. Okay.
No drones because for your safety.
Your safety, even for people with title and insurance and everything.
Not to come out with an ear less.
Really?
You know,
Oh, that's difficult.
can't trust anyone flying.
Well,
And then suddenly over 20 people fall down.
this shouldn't be done. It's not allowed. It has to be just in the side because I have the title for professional drone.
This is the reason because we don't recommend to use a drone.
Okay.
And the other reason is the rights of the
Of the people, I know the
not
face.
the people, the rights of the monument.
Ah, okay.
So if you are going to publish something on
Yes.
YouTube, for example,
Yes.
there is, let's say,
Restrictions.
There is restriction. They are saying, okay, this is the theater of Filippi, and take care, bring it down, or we are going to
Normal.
ban it.
Of course. No. Okay, we can leave this there?
You are from the press?
No. We're just tourists from Spain.
Oh, from Spain. And
Yes,
you have
from
your
Spain.
helmet.
Yes.
Very nice.
So I give you also the drone because I didn't know that it was possible to fly.
Well, what to do? I just warn the people. What kind of bike are you hanging around?
The BMW,
Oh,
a big one, a GS,
GS
1200. 1200.
1200, very nice.
You would also motorbike, yes?
Yeah, I have my Kawasaki here, my Vulcan.
Ah, okay.
I painted 1,000 times till now.
Enough. Okay, thank you.
Well,
Let's see.
have a good time. Scan here this code for information, so you can read the tablets. They are with Greek and English.
Oh, very good.
You go through the site. The museum comes on the side of the hill, about 10 minutes by feet.
Okay, thank you.
Some water will be needed,
Water, that's water?
and
No.
protect yourselves from the
Okay,
sun.
then we buy water. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
have a good.
La mejor foto yo creo que se va a sacar desde allá. muchos foros de la época romana. Video? Ah. Hello. Yes, please.
Two cola zero.
And chips? Do you have chips?
Yes. Salty and oregano.
¿Orégano o sal?
¿Oregano?
¿Sal? ¿Orégano?
¿Probamos?
Orégano. Ok.
¿Lo probamos?
Sí. No estaba grabando.
Ya lo habremos probado.
Pues sí. Esto, amigos míos, es la Via Egnatia, la romana. Aquí queda un resto de ella, que es la que unía Roma, o mejor dicho, desde Durres hasta Constantinopla. Aquí la tenéis. Hola, tía, buena. ¿Vas con alguien? Sí.